Hi everyone, are you struggling with module not found error? No module named Pandas in VS Code? Don't worry, I will show you the right way to install Pandas on Windows, Mac, and Linux using virtual environment in just 2 minutes. Let's get started. Before installing Pandas, it's best to use a virtual environment to keep things clean. First, select the command prompt option in your terminal. Then, to create a virtual environment in Windows, type python -m virtual environment as venv, then name of your virtual environment. You can name it anything. Here, my virtual environment name is venv. Click, then no, and you can see here there is a new folder called myenv. Then wait for it. Yeah. Let's activate our virtual environment. To do that, change your directory cd, then my virtual environment, my env slash script. Make sure the script's s must be in caps, then enter, then type activate. Your terminal should now show uh, inside the circle brackets name of your virtual environment at the beginning. This means your virtual environment is active. Now let's create virtual environment for Mac and Linux user. To do that, Python 3 -m, then virtual environment as venv, then name of your virtual environment. You can type anything. Here I'm going to type env, then hit enter. Now let's activate our virtual environment. Type source, then virtual environment name, here env, then slash, then bin, then slash activate, then hit enter. Now your terminal should show env at the beginning. This means your virtual environment is active. First, open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install pandas. If you get a notice like a new version of pip is available, then try this python dot exe -m pip install upgrade pip. It will upgrade your pip. Or if you are using multiple Python version, use python 3 -m pip install pandas. Now let's check if pandas is installed. Open Python and type import pandas as pd. pd is nothing but it's the alias of pandas. Then print pd dot underscore underscore version underscore underscore. It will print the current pandas version. Okay, let's run this. If you see a version number, pandas is successfully installed. That's it. Now you know how to create a virtual environment, install Pandas, check its version, and upgrade pip on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Subscribe to Self Learning for more Python tips. Drop a comment if this helped you, and like the video if you want more quick Python fixes.